Guys, he's like, I've got to stop. Damn, why is it looking so good today? Hola, ¿qué tal? ¿Has estado aquí antes?
Sí, conozco esta zona, vivía acá antes.
Ah, ¿en serio?
Sí, cerca.
Guay.
Pero no sabía que estaba en construcción.
Sí, pero es que creo que me gusta la mezcla. Me gusta la mezcla entre como súper elegante y aquí como cosas nuevas. Si me preguntan, voy a decir, mira, estamos aquí trabajando. Super chulo. What's up, you guys? So today we're going to be doing a video. We're going to be shooting with the Canon EOS 250D and we're using the 50mm lens. Also another lens too. Got our backstage man on here, Uncle G. We got Paula, our model there in the back, and we have just snuck into a really cool construction site. If you guys haven't already, don't forget to hit that subscribe, drop me a comment, and hit the like as it really helps the videos. Just gonna stand there looking good. Just have to like make love to the camera, you know? Hacia amor a la cámara. Yes. Good. Damn, esa también. You guys, this one is like Victoria's Secret supermodels. Mira esta. Okay, cool. So what we're gonna try now, guys, now we're gonna hit the 50mm. We'll change the lens and we'll see if we can get a different look, a blurrier look with the Aperture. So you guys, we actually met like last week or the week before when I was doing pictures of strangers, and I got a picture of her and her boyfriend. So keep on speaking to strangers. Keep speaking to strangers. Oh, wait, see that? Damn, why is it looking so good today? Okay, awesome. Ajá, perfecto, aguanta ahí. Yeah, stay like that, stay like that. Estos son super chulos. Burn. Okay, let's change place. 3 wins. El viento. Yes, they're like that. Would you get back again like this? Yeah. Sí, la cabeza. Ahora tenemos que subir.
No.
Now we're gonna climb up here, you guys. Where's another cool place? Okay, so you stay over here in this light. So you guys, we found like one little light patch here. So, see. Hey, guy, you guys, he's like, I've got to stop. guys, we have like a perfect model today because I don't even need to say anything. Normalmente tengo que decir así, 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 but you was just like bam, bam. Yes, they like that. Gee, look at this one. That's super cool. Okay, nice. And let's go un poquito más así.
Estaba pensando una así.
Sí. She knows I didn't even need to ask her. Okay, perfecto, sí. Yes. O como estás haciendo los zapatos.
Sí, sí, sí.
Sí.
Un poco difícil.
Uno más.
Y una así.
Yeah, stay there.
Muy bonita esta fotografía.
Yes. Yes. Just so like unexpected this background. Let's try a little bit more. Just over here. See, See. Yes, we just need the leg. Yeah, me lo super guay con esta atrás.
Son bonitas también.
Man, creo que todos son bonitos. She's a trooper, she just wants her shot.
¿Más atrás o acá?
You know what? No, I'm gonna stand here. Voy a quedar ahí con esto atrás. Actually looks cool. Okay, yes, Stella. Oh, while we have the light. So the reason I'm going to be using this lens right now is because it makes some really cool rings of light. So while we have the sun coming through strong, let's see if we can get some of it. Aguanta ahí. Ok, y la cara un poquito más ahí, yeah. Y un poquito más atrás. It's so quiet here. Super nice. Yeah.
Eso no pasa nada.
Sí, okay. Girl, get out of the way. No, do not use. Like, get on up there. Okay, so that is it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed that shoot. I will be giving Paula's details and the Instagram, in the description if you guys want to hit her up. ¿Quieres decir algo? Tus fans.
Que me pueden seguir en Instagram.
Ajá.
Y que espero que les guste el video.
Ok, adiós, chicos.